How's it going, guys? So I'm gonna show you how to repair a wireless room sensor for the Ecobee 3. This is the guy that I have right there. This guy died out uh, during the holidays, and it just gave me a warning over here. Told me that the room sensor wasn't available. It was losing power. So if you go here, we can see my sensors right there. You can see that the sensor for the master is missing, and I've already changed the rest. All the batteries died at the same time, and it's barely been like, I guess, a year since I got the Ecobee 3. And here you can see that's the room sensor. Easiest way that I found how to repair this guy was to actually remove the battery. So remove this guy, insert it in reverse, so backwards. So you can see here, this is a CR2032. Both of them are CR2032s. That's the one you need, 3-volt battery. And you can see that the plus side is facing up, so facing towards us. So I've tried just putting the battery in, letting this guy try to repair, and nothing worked until I read, I think somewhere on their user guide, I don't remember where I read it. You flip it around with the positive side facing down, put it in there for a couple seconds, remove the battery, put the battery back in, and then you should automatically get a repairing signal over here. So let's try that out so you guys can see. So this guy right there, right? I'm gonna take out the battery and get my little spatula. So you see, right here, plus side, oops, the plus side is gonna go down, so this way. I'm gonna remove that sticker. I'm gonna place it down for a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, I'm gonna remove it and then place it the correct way up, which is that way. Once you, oops, let me get it in there. It got stuck. There you go. Once you put it back in there, easier said than done. There you go. Once you put it back in there, there we go. A little notification popped up. And reestablish the connection, should be good. So there you go. Now if I go back to the sensors, you look at it, and I have the master back in there. It's reporting a temperature of 72 degrees, which is good. Now, if this for some reason doesn't work, what you're going to want to do is go back in here, and then you go to delete, just up there, and you can unpair it. So you unpair, you do the same battery trick. So let's do that right now so I can show you. So unpair, okay, delete that. Let's go back over here. Let's take the battery out. Let's put this guy. Let's do the battery in reverse. A couple seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. This guy out. Put the battery back in. Let me clean it up because it's a little bit dirty. There we go. Come on. Put it back in there. Pop the lid for the stand back in. Now, there we go. Oops. So the sensor appears to, the Ecobee found the sensor. Let me focus on that a little bit. There we go. I'm going to pair it. Now this one's going to be the master. I don't find it anywhere there, so let me write down, type it in, oops, my fingers are too big, master, there we go. Next, I want to set it for all of the profiles for the comfort settings. Next on that, finish, and we should have it back in there. And obviously I touched a bit, so it's gonna warm up. So there you go, master 74, and we're back in working order.